Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch Prime Video on your smart TV, or you can actually have a regular TV and just plug in like a Fire Stick or a streaming device and you can watch. But the thing that I'm going to do a little bit differently is I'm going to show you how to find the program on your smartphone that you want to watch and then beam it or send that information to the TV, your smart TV, so you can watch it, so you can find it on your phone. And then once you do, you want to beam it to your smart device. So let's open up the Prime Video first, and mine is right here. Give it a second, and then find the show that you want to watch, so you can find it, whatever you can find it in the usual manner on your smartphone, and then you're gonna beam it from your smartphone to your TV so that it knows you want to watch that. So we want to watch, let's say we want to watch this one here. So you select it, resume, and then up top, if you look at the top right, you can select the little square icon with some lines in it, and just send it to the device you want to send it. So mine is Fernando's Fire TV. Send it. Takes about 10 seconds or so if it should work. You'll see a little square, like a line or circling on the TV that you want to send it to, and then it should start playing. And that is it. Goes without saying, but this only works if you have an Amazon account with Prime Video. So I hope it helps. Thanks.